Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe
On the go. So Jen, I think we're going somewhere again.
We are. We're going back to Disney.
Where else would we be going?
I'm so excited. We're going for my birthday weekend. It's going to be a quick trip. But we're staying at a brand new resort.
Yes.
To us.
Yes. You haven't stayed there?
Nope.
I most definitely haven't stayed there.
But we booked it because we're not doing any parks this trip because it's the end of July and I just don't want to walk around a park in 95-degree weather.
We've done it before.
We have.
And overall, you know, you just kind of sort of get used to it and you work your way in and out of air conditioning.
That's true.
So there's still always that level of just disgusting wetness on you. It's like, I don't drip sweat, but there's that level of perspiration that is just so
there's that level of
comfy.
sweat where you got sweat in places you didn't think you could sweat.
Yes, that's true. But that said, as disgusting as that sounds, we're not going to the parks. So
we are not. So we are staying at the Beach Club.
Which is ironic because that's within walking distance of Epcot. I mean, it's right there. And
but it's also within walking distance of the Skyliner, which is walking distance to, a short ride away to certain bars.
Yes.
That we like to frequent.
Certain other resorts with
Yes.
one certain bar at this one specific resort.
Yes.
Bar Riva at the Riviera. Duh.
But we booked Beach Club because of the pool, of course.
We did? That's why?
Yes,
Oh.
It's got Stormalong Bay, and we've never been to that pool.
Right. And so this is really going to be, because it's your birthday weekend, we wanted something just a little more relaxed. Well, you wanted something a little more relaxed.
But I think you like the relaxed part of it.
Oh,
too.
yeah, definitely. Yeah. Because we're always running around and doing this and doing that.
Yeah.
So that said, we're going to see family and friends still.
We are.
That's kind of every time we go, there's always family and friends involved, which is fine.
It's always a good thing.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. Just because, you know, we would do the whole thing with bringing the kids to the parks when they were younger, and that's still fun to do, but it's not the priority.
But they're all grown up anyway.
Yeah, they're all grown. So that's not the priority. Going to the parks is not the priority anymore. It's just if we can go, that's great.
It's drinking and eating.
Yes, and so the funny thing is that even though we're at Beach Club within walking distance of Epcot, we're not going to Epcot.
I know.
So, I don't know. But we do have things planned every day.
We do. We are going to be going to some restaurants that we frequented before.
Others new.
Well, there's new. One that's been newly refurbed that hasn't quite opened yet.
It hasn't opened yet?
Nope.
Oh no, as of this recording, it hasn't opened yet. So, but then we're also going to new to us that has recently reopened. So that's actually going to be good too. We're so cryptic in this video.
I know.
I mean, like,
We
what
should
are we
just tell
doing?
everyone what we're doing.
Well, we could, or we could just say, tune in to the live updates that we'll be doing every day.
Yes.
Because that seemed to go over pretty
It
well.
did. We've done it now a couple trips.
Yeah, and this one here just in June, we did live updates every day.
We did.
And I thought that worked out pretty well. You know, doing anything on my cell phone is just kind of meh. I mean, it's there. The quality isn't the greatest every time.
But for a
it's fine.
2-minute live update, it
it's
serves
fine.
its purpose.
But yes, we've got a bunch of things going on. So let's just keep it as a surprise.
Okay.
So.
And we also have an activity book that we're going to be
Yes.
doing.
Yeah. There's that too. Which, you know, I'm not as worried about it for me as I am for you.
Why?
Well, because what happens if, you know, you get hurt?
I'm not going to get hurt.
Well, hopefully not.
But there
Okay.
is something we can share with everyone.
Yes.
And that would be a Magic Band unboxing, because you can't have a Disney World trip planned and not get new Magic Bands. At least if you live in this house.
Yes, well, I guess. I mean, we should at one point do a video of all the Magic Bands that we have.
We have so
That
many
would be
Magic
such
Bands.
a long video. I mean,
We
yeah.
might have to skip over a few.
Yeah, well.
Like
anyway.
all the solid colors and just skip
No,
right
the solid
to
colors are boring.
the fun
So,
ones.
All right.
All right, you want to do the honors?
I
Because
will.
I have no
It's fine.
idea what we ordered.
And you just did your nails, so. Speaking of which, your nails match your top today.
They do.
Look at that. How cute. So, I notice these things. I've learned over the years to notice these things. Anyway, okay, so Magic Band,
Dun,
unopened.
Dun, 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 dun.
Now I have no idea. Do you even remember what you got?
I think I remember yours, but I do not remember mine.
Okay, well, here we go.
Bum, ba-da-da-dun, bum, 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 bum.
All right, so we have, they're similar in color.
I did not know that.
Okay, so.
I don't even know whose is whose.
Well, this says Jenny.
Yep, now I remember.
Hello, Jenny.
Okay.
There you go, Jenny. And this says Joey. Hello, Joey.
Okay, I remember yours now.
All right, so you first.
Okay, so mine says vacation mode. How cute is that?
Oh.
I don't have any with this character.
Well, let me just see if you can.
Both sides are different,
here.
so make sure you get both sides.
Let's see if it can focus in a little bit. There it goes. Now it's focused. Sorry about that. All right, so there's Stitch, and it says vacation mode, and this side is all the flowers, and Stitch is there again. So that's cute, Jen. And you don't have anything with Stitch.
No. Isn't that crazy?
All right, that's cool.
But you know what? You know why I like this one? I picked it out because of all the flowers. Because I love flowers, and this would have been perfect for Flower and Garden Festival.
That's true. It would.
I'll have to remember this for next year.
All right, so mine. How cute is this? Same, similar in color.
I know. Wow, we're gonna match.
But mine says to infinity and beyond.
Does it really?
Yes,
I didn't
it
even
does.
know that.
Which the other side of it has Buzz and Woody.
I think it's trying to focus on your brightly patterned shirt.
Yeah, there it is. I got it. There's Buzz and Woody. And then there's the to infinity and beyond. All right.
So do you have any kind of Toy Story bands yet?
You had yours
I know
was Toy
I do.
Story.
I know I had one in the past.
We've had so many. I don't remember. I mean, I don't know.
Do you have one with the aliens on it?
I don't know.
Anyway, I know I definitely don't have a Stitch one, so this is super cute, and I really like it.
Yeah,
And I really like
This
yours
is cute.
too.
This is definitely cute. I like it. I'll wear it, obviously.
Very summery colors.
Yeah, that's true. I do like the color.
Yeah, so that's it. We are leaving. By the time this video comes up, we will be on our way to the airport, literally, I think, as it premieres.
Yes, I think you're right. So yeah, I'm going to set this video to go up on Friday, the 23rd of July.
And that night, we are staying at the Hyatt. Long story short, the flight was changed. We changed it.
It was we've mentioned this before with Southwest, not just Southwest, I think probably every single air carrier in the country, because of all the disruptions with COVID, and they changed their schedule here and there. So they ended up changing our schedule from what we had booked. They changed that, so we were able to go in and with no fees or
penalties,
cost, whatever.
Right.
No additional charge. I guess that's what I was trying to say. No additional charge for changing it. So we ended up making it just a little bit earlier in the day.
Well, the flight was supposed to come in at night, and that's why
like
we had
10:30, 11
originally
o'clock.
booked it, because we did it back in February.
I think so.
And it was so convenient to stay at the Hyatt
Right at the
MCO airport.
Yeah.
So we decided to do it again this time, but then Southwest changed the flight, and I think they made it a one stop. So then we ended up changing it to an earlier flight. Again, no change fees. So we're coming in earlier, but we just decided to keep the reservation at the Hyatt because it's a really nice hotel, and we're going to do some things while we're there. And the food at the restaurant there, at the bar, was really good.
What was the name of the bar?
I don't remember.
Henry's?
I don't remember. And then we will check into Beach Club the next morning, and we'll be at the Beach Club. The Beach Club Villas, actually, for 3 nights.
Yeah.
So it's just a quick 4-night trip.
Yeah.
But just enough to, recharge and refresh and celebrate my birthday.
Yes, that part will be good.
So I'm sure the Disney drinkers will be making quite a few appearances.
Every day, multiple times a day, most likely.
Boogers.
I'm telling you, man, they need therapy. I don't know. So
anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because we could be planning another trip to Disney. We could be invaded by the Disney drinkers. We could be swimming in Stormalong Bay. You just never know, so you better tune in.
Or I can try to get Jack, who is over here chasing his own tail, Like
He's not very smart.
He just did like a somersault trying to grab his own tail
He's
right over
watching
there.
it. He's literally watching it. I think we have a video of him, a short of him.
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
And I'll have Joe link that in the description
Sure,
below.
why not?
Because again, we digress. We've ended the video, but you know there's always something to talk about.
Yep, and there's Jack.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes.
Oh, there he goes. Jack.
Jackson Montgomery.
That's not really his name. His name is Jack Skellington.
But
he's
he goes
Jack,
by all kinds of names.
Jack Skellington, Jackson,
Jackie Boy.
Jackie Boy. Yeah.
Look at him. He's going to do it again.
There he goes. He's got it.
He's like, what is that? Oh, there he goes. There. Oh, I wish you could see it. He's literally doing somersaults, chasing his tail. But you know, the minute you go to record it, he's going to stop. But we have a video and we'll link it.
Hold on. Let's see if we can get him.
Oh, Jackie boy. Oh, no, big stretch. It's like, no, I'm done. Rather claw the couch. Oh, wow. Look at that. You're using your scratch post.
All right, well, that was an epic fail. As soon as I turned the camera on him, he decided, nope, I'm done chasing my tail. You were right. Sorry.
But we'll link the short in the description below for any of you who want to see our cat chasing his tail.
Yeah, so, all right. Well, yeah, tune in. We got live updates coming every day, and we got lots of stuff going on here over the weekend. It's going to be fun, like you said, a lot of new stuff. And
some old favorites.
Yes. So anyway, but all right, I can reveal this.
What?
There is one thing that I can reveal. There won't be any Olivia's for breakfast.
No.
But that said, I might be able to order the grits somehow, some way. Can I mobile order the grits and go pick it up?
You can.
Mm-hmm.
You actually can.
Mm-hmm. All right, that's an idea. All right. Tune in for that, at least. If nothing else, Joe eating his grits.
Oh, I know. I'm going to tune in for that.
You can tune in to Kiss My Grits. Kiss My Grits.
Again, we digressed. We ended the video 10 minutes ago.
Remember that from Alice?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, with, what was her name? Was it Flo? Her name wasn't Flo. It was Flo.
It was Flo.
I was thinking Flo from the Progressive commercials now. Yeah,
There's,
Flo from
that's
Alice.
That's a Flo, too.
Yes, no, I know. Flo from Alice. She was a Kiss My Grits.
Okay,
Yeah.
bye.
Some people have no idea what that is.
Say bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Talk to you guys later. Bye.